Battery assembly using the repeating layer process from RLP Technology. RLP is a novel patented process that presents an alternative to the assembly line process. RLP has 10 times the throughput, scales to multiply the initial throughput, completely eliminates the bottleneck problem, and has a 95% system availability. RLP has many advantages over the traditional process, like 1000% increase in maximum throughput, can scale to multiples of the initial capacity, zero downtime by design, 95% of the system design is based on a common module, and high process efficiency allows for less complex equipment. Design process starts by dividing the battery to overhead components, like case and busbar, and repeating components, like cells. After we design machines for both types of components, every time we add a set of the repeating machines, we increase the multiplier of the production capacity. This case study is for a battery module with 16 cells, 8 positive cells, and 8 negative cells. Every cell will be processed with 5 seconds cycle time. With the first build level, the system will have one overhead layer and one repeating layer. This system produces 430,000 modules per year. By adding 2 more machines for a repeating layer, the system will have double the throughput. By the time we get to the 4th build level, by adding 4 more machines, the throughput of the system gets to 1.7 million modules per year. RLP Technology. Live the future.